Well, morning all, it's Friday morning, it's time to pack up and head home. Been a great trip so far, so head back up. Not sure which way I'll go home, but it'll be an inland route and we'll see what's on the way through there. I've done it many times, so should be about 4 or 5 hours if I don't stop too many times. So it's not a breath of wind this morning down in Albany. Sun's just about to come up, 6 o'clock. So I'll get the drone up in a second and take a shot. Very rarely you get no wind here, so the water's looking beautiful. That's a little swimming beach that they've got set aside. There's a ship out in the harbour there. You just see it in the mist. I don't know if it'll show up on the GoPro actually. Lots of people up walking already. Plenty out there walking their dogs, riding their bikes. So we'll get this drone up and go and pack up, get on the road. Well, I've left Albany and I'm heading out Chester Pass Road towards the Parongarups and Stirling National Park. As you're coming out, there's a little place called Napier, very small. There's just about a town hall there and that's about it. But on the other side of the road, there's a great little free camping site. No fires, but there's plenty of room. There's a couple of people camped here while I'm pulled in. It's just on the edge of the highway. You can see over in the background. But nice tidy little place. I think there's a river down there somewhere, or a stream. So yeah, if you're looking for a quick overnighter, that's possibly a good one. It's not that far out of Albany, so have a look for that one on Chester Pass Road and Napier Town, opposite Napier Town Hall. Onward and upward, eh? Well, still heading down Chester Pass, or Chesapeake, Chester Pass I think it is, road through the Stirling Ranges. So just stop, take a photo and give you a bit of a look around. I don't know how clear this will show out on the GoPro. Looking back towards the sun a little bit, so it might be a little bit hard. And we'll go out this way. So heading towards Broome Hill, which is actually part of this, well, the start of the Holland track that I went on the motorbike. If you have a look back at some videos, which is quite a historic track that ran from Albany all the way up to the goldfields, and you can still do part of it as a 4-wheel drive trip, and the rest of it goes through farmland down this way, but you can actually follow it if you get hold of the book. So haven't been this way before, so quite interesting. Oh well, back in the van and off. Still heading home. I'm actually doing part of the Horsepower Highway, where a local town and farmers, I'll put the name of the town up, have been putting out old tractors and painting up water tanks and things like that. So it's become a real tourist drive. So this is just another example of it, and I'll show you a little bit of that. It looks pretty cool. a water tank with the wildflowers on it. Lucinda the tractor. I've done a nice job cleaning that up. And this I'd seen on the internet, on Facebook, on their website, where they'd taken locals and had their photos, and it's been painted on this water tank. It's quite amazing. Borden Bush Fire Brigade on her badge. St John, Betty from St John's Ambulance. What a great idea. Shearer, got the comb there. Don't know if it's a Kiwi comb or an Aussie comb. The wide ones are the Aussies. Woman, the backbone of a rural community. Well, that's absolutely stunning. If you get a chance to do the Horsepower Highway, have a look on Facebook. They do have a page, and get out there and support a local town and a local region that have put this effort in for us. Well, it just come through Katanning and heading towards Wagen now. There's an old church on the side of the road, so I thought I'd stop and have a look at that. Take a couple of photos. Weird weather. I've had a couple of drops of rain. It went from stinking hot back to almost a thunderstorm developing. It looks blue out the other side, so we'll see what we come across with. Go and have a look at this church. Hopefully there's a bit of history about it. Somewhere, a plaque or something. Flies are friendly. (1903), to the glory of God. Well, I didn't break this open, so I'll see if I can just get in it a little bit. Might be a bit dark in here for the GoPro, but we'll try it. No snakes. like a spooky feeling when you walk into old churches like this. Alright, I'll take a couple of photos and get out of here. Gives me the creeps. Well, just got to Wagen, about 2 hours from home now. Gone through that stormy period. I can see it back there, but it's got clear up here. So if you don't know Wagen, it's the home of the Woolorama each year. Very popular event, everything to do with wool and farming, I think, and the home of the giant ram. Not as many flies here as down there either, which is good. So I'll keep tootling along because I'll be home hopefully before 3 o'clock. Just about time for a drink by then. Right, just come through the town of Cabelling, and there's a dam picnic area out here. Not a dam picnic area, but a dam and a picnic area out here. I can't pronounce the name, Ure or Nanning or something, so I'll write it down anyway. There's toilets there. There's tons of parking out here and some walk trails. Quite warm at the moment, but in winter or the cooler months it'll be beautiful. If you contact the Shire, Cabelling Shire, regarding camping fees or anything like that, there is a sign at the front there with a phone number. So there's a playground here. Great little picnic spot. But as I say, if you're heading through, it's just as you're heading north through Cabelling, it's not far out of town. The silos, I think you can just see them just over there. So it's probably the last spot I can think of heading back into York. It's getting too bloody hot anyway, so I think I'll be running for home. There's not many clouds in the sky. So I get back in the van, get the air conditioner cranked up, get the audio book running again, and I should be home in about an hour or so. Well, that's the end of the trip. 6 days on the road. Well, they say I'm going to make it home tonight, something like that. It's quite hot and humid up here, but we've got a thunderstorm rolling in, so might get a bit of rain out of it. So I hope you enjoyed all these videos. If you've got any comments, please leave them there. I'll be going down that way again, especially in the cooler months and when it's all green down there. I had a ball. I hope you all learned something, or it got you motivated to go out and see a few places, and I hope you have a great trip. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it, and keep the shiny side up and stay safe out there. See you next time.